everyone, my name is James Batok Josnipa with matrix number 84094. Since today is my free day, I would like to I plan to go to Vihes Green Nature Park with you all. I'm going to review that place, so what do you guys waiting for? Let's go. So this is the trip when I headed to Vihes Green Nature Park, which is located in Matang, Kuching, Sarawak. I was very excited to reach the destination because I had heard interesting stories about the place before.
A few moments later.
After taking about 40 minutes on the way, I finally reached my destination. I could feel a very amazing vibe when I saw the environment in the area before the entrance. Before entering the entrance, of course we must register first. The payment during registration is quite cheap, which is Rm12 per person. This is a sticker given after you register as proof that you have paid before entering. I bought pet food that only costs 5 ringgit. There is a mini-mart here which has made it easy for visitors to buy foods and drinks. There is also a special space for children to play here, so this place is also suitable for parents with children. From a distance, I could see something bright in the fish pond. If I'm not mistaken, in that pond there is a fish called koi fish. But unfortunately, the fish could not be fed by visitors because it was on a diet. Here you can see some very cute rabbits arranged in cage according to body size. Do you see that? Very cute. I decided to feed the rabbits with the carrot that I bought just now. I actually don't know the function of this house, but I just went up to see the situation there. Now look, you can see how big this fish is. Of course, this fish is heavy, but not as heavy as the salmon you have faced at University Life. Vihes Green Nature Park also offers a funny bird sauce to the customer. So, this is a performance of parrots that have been trained there.
Punya voice, kita punya voice, animal voice, dan bunyi laser pun dia boleh ikut, macam bunyi dia boleh ikut.
So here I will show to you guys the other animals that are here. Let's go! This animal has caught my attention because of its unique body shape. This animal is called a ayam Turki. The garden at Vihes Green Nature Park is very suitable for those who like flora. Here also has a garden decorated with the theme of love. So for the couples out there, here is the perfect place to capture a photo together. So that's all for my video. Thank you.